What's going on, everybody? We're back in the shop this afternoon, and we're gonna get in here and try to get some stuff done. I've already done a few things. We got our headers in, and I got them installed already. So I think tonight we may try to do some work on the exhaust and get our exhaust hooked up, and maybe possibly try to bend that front bumper bar. We got a piece of tubing. We're gonna try to maybe tackle that. So we'll see what we can get done. All right, Diesel.
What's going on, everybody?
What are we doing here?
We're trying to redo this exhaust system. Right now, we've got a collector and all made. Now we just got to cut the pipe to length so we can get under there and get this stuff hooked up. See if we can get it fired up tonight. Maybe hear a little bit of rumble before we go home.
So we've had a pretty tough night. We really didn't get anything accomplished. The only thing I got done was I got the Y pipe fixed on this end. I got the new end welded on it. But the problem was when we went to put the exhaust up under the car, it won't fit with these new headers. So we trying to get the exhaust pipes loose from the Y pipe. They were rusted together, like welded together. And we couldn't get them loose. We spent like 3 hours trying to get them loose. So I had to end up slicing the Y pipe there and there to get the exhaust pipes loose. So we're going to get some more materials and come back in here tomorrow night and try to get this exhaust put back together. So we'll see y'all tomorrow night. What's going on, everybody? Josh Oakley here. Finally back in the shop. I've been out of commission for about a week. I've had some type of really bad cold virus or something, so it's kind of had me down. But I'm back here tonight, and I'm going to try to get some things done. We're going to try to get this exhaust system finished up. We got our new pipes, and so we're going to try to get all that finished up tonight. So I got all the pipes fitted. So all I got to do is just tack all the tabs on where it holds all the pipes together, and then we'll take all the exhaust back out of here and weld the tabs up good. But I'm going to try to tack them on here. Alright guys, so I got all the exhaust pipes fitted and all the tabs welded up on them and the tabs welded on the headers. So we'll get back here in a night or so and we're going to scuff them up, and then we're going to paint them with this VHT paint. And I'm going to leave the headers with just the factory paint on them for now, because I'm eventually, hopefully soon, I'm going to pull the headers off and I'm going to try to send them off and get them ceramic coated. So that's all we're going to do tonight. We'll be back. See you tomorrow night.
You want a clamp to go down there? Hanging down just a little bit. There it is. Radio playing there.
What's going on, everybody? We're back in the shop this Saturday morning. I'm still kind of get over this cold I got, and but we got Diesel back with us. He's been dealing with a little sickness too, so we're gonna try to get some stuff done today. All right, Diesel, what are we gonna do today?
All right now we're trying to finish hanging this exhaust and all. We got to put the bang box around the pipes and all that. We got it all mounted. Hopefully, here in a little bit, we're gonna hear this bad boy make some noise.
All right, we got Daddy. He's got the little piece over there that they trying to pop rivet on for the exhaust pipe cover. So try to get that made and put on.
Ready? Roll it.
So I got the bumper bar and the hood pin bar all tacked up. So we'll take this nose back off and weld everything up. All right, what you got there, Diesel?
All right. Because of the exhaust pipe, we had to split this piece of metal to get it to go up over it. So right now we're pipe riveting the shield on there, so hopefully we can get it to slide over the exhaust pipe, make that pipe bigger, and make everything fit right. Keep the exhaust out of the car with Josh, keep it going out in the right direction.
10-4. And I got the nose back off here, and I'm about to weld all of this bumper bar and stuff up. So let's get to it.
See what happens when you get up there where it looks good? You should feel that thing off and on so much. Yeah, that's when the white thing on.
Alright, I got both the side skirts mounted. And Daddy and Diesel up here putting those back on after he painted the bumper bars and stuff. So we're coming on along. Well, got the body back on here. Turned out pretty good, I think. We used a bunch of old stuff. Old nose and hood kind of worse for wear, but we're gonna have to make it work for a little while longer. All right, what we doing here, Diesel?
We putting the go-go power on it. We're gonna hear this sucker run before we leave here today.
All right, here we go. All right, Diesel, what'd you think?
I think it might have a little power. We might be a little short, but
Think we can make do?
I think we just had to make do with it. I mean, can't do a whole lot about it right now. But sounded good. Excited. Get this thing set up this week. Get the truss panels and all put on it. Start looking at making a trip to the track. See what it'll do.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything we got done today. Motor fired up, body's done. We just got a couple front crush panels to make, and we'll be ready to do some setup work. So I think that's gonna do it for this video. So we'll see y'all on the next one.